Welcome to this training video on Interpret SELDM, the post-processor for the Stochastic Empirical Loading and Dilution model SELDM. This video and the associated software were prepared by the U.S. Geological Survey in cooperation with the Federal Highway Administration. In this video, we will show you how to add reference lines to a graph. Once we have created a graph, we select the Format Graph Elements tab to add the reference lines. Reference lines are horizontal or vertical lines we add to a graph to show thresholds of interest. On a probability plot, a vertical line shows the risk level threshold. On the transport curve, a vertical line shows an upstream storm flow threshold. On the concentration plots, a horizontal line shows a concentration threshold like a water quality criteria. On the dilution factor graph, a horizontal line shows a dilution factor threshold. On a load or yield graph, the horizontal line shows the load or yield threshold. The intersection of a vertical and horizontal reference line points out a point of interest on the graph. Box plots only have horizontal reference lines. To add a reference line, we first need to click the Add New button. First, we'll add a vertical probability line. First, we will select the line label text box to name the line. Once you click the Accept Updates button, this line will be available for selection in the reference line combo box. The line label also will be shown on the explanation or on or near the line on the graph. We will name this vertical line 3-year risk, which is associated with the US EPA threshold for water quality criteria, and we will give it the probability associated with that risk for the example simulations. Now we will select the numeric value text box to enter the line value. To select the line style, click the Line Style combo box. You have 4 choices. You can pick solid, dash, long dash, or dots. To select the line thickness, click on the Line Thickness combo box. You have 3 line thickness choices. You can select thin, normal, or thick lines. To select a line color, click the Line Color combo box. You have 6 line color choices: black, gray, red, yellow, green, or blue. None of the changes you make will be saved or plotted on the graph until you click the Accept Updates button. The Accept Updates message box confirms the changes. Click the Add New button to add another reference line. Select the line label text box to name the line. Once you accept updates, this line will be available for selection in the reference line combo box. We will name this reference line half highway runoff to indicate a threshold in which half of the downstream flow is highway runoff. Now we will select the numeric value text box to enter the reference line value. None of the changes you make will be saved or plotted on the graph until you click the Accept Updates button. The Accept Updates message box confirms the changes. To modify an existing line, click the Reference Line combo box. To plot the reference lines, click one of the Update Graph buttons. Now let's hide one of the reference lines. To hide a line, uncheck the Plot Selected Line checkbox. Click the Accept Updates button. As you can see, we have hidden the horizontal threshold line. Now let's restore the horizontal threshold line. This concludes our video on creating and modifying reference lines in the Interpret SELDM program.